They might have put their parties aside, but sadly in Boris Johnson's case, he didn't put his whole personality aside. I mean, the fact is, he was a chaotic prime minister at the moment when we needed someone who wasn't chaotic. I mean, you're not pretending.
You forget he nearly died.
Wouldn't have been any better.
At the height of it, he nearly died. So there was a vacuum.
You're not pretending.
Firstly, Boris Johnson nearly died from the pandemic, so I don't think there's anyone who knew better what the devastating consequences of the pandemic could have been. Secondly,
well then, he should have done better if he knew better. I mean, that was
okay. So he should have done better. If you remember, Dominic Cummings, after the pandemic, the man who during the pandemic everyone said was an absolute liar, scandal sleaze, no one can trust a word he says, but as soon as he leaves the government as an advisor, he is now the gospel and everyone should believe everything he says. Dominic Cummings said, and I quote, so I apologise, that he walked into Downing Street and someone said, we are going to effing kill 1.5 to 2.5 million people with this pandemic. We had 125,000 deaths. That is 10%. Now, I'm not congratulating anybody. I'm not saying well done. One death was too many. But in any other circumstance where you save 90% of people's lives, you would be congratulated for that.